samples, I want to show you how I spruced up my old couch. This is a free used couch to begin with. Instead of getting rid of it, I figured I would just fix the things that I didn't like about it. There's 3 minor issues that I figure I can improve. It really needs a cleaning. My robot vacuum doesn't fit underneath it. And I've destroyed one of the cushions because I always sit on the edge of the seat. If you are cleaning a microfiber couch, do a little test spot somewhere hidden first, just to make sure that it'll be fine with the water. Anything that will fit in the washer and dryer goes right in there, all the cushions and pillows entirely, and then the seat covers unzip and can be washed and dried using delicate cycles on the laundry machines. The coffee table ottoman does not come apart or unzip, so it's a little bit trickier, embarrassingly dirty, and I'm not going to explain what's on it. If you know, you know. But all you need is some elbow grease and some alcohol. And then some alcohol in a spray bottle, and some microfiber cloths, and a scrub brush. Preferably bigger than this, but I'm working with what I've got. And it's just a matter of spraying and scrubbing and wiping it off. I started in sections until the whole thing was pretty well covered, and then I let it dry and repeated until I was happy with it being clean enough. And I let it dry the final time and then used my little brush again to smooth it all out in the same direction. To fix my vacuum problem, the couch and coffee table just need to be a little bit higher so that the vacuum can fit under them. So I'm just going to give them a tiny lift kit with some cut off scrap board, and I will wrap those pieces in adhesive vinyl to kind of blend them in with the furniture legs, and who's gonna know? Lastly, I've been using a pillow to fill in the sunken corner of the cushion, and it works, it just doesn't look that great. So all I'm going to do is when I put the cushion cover back on, I'll just zip it inside and it'll stay in place and keep it a little bit hidden.